Oh, that's a password or not? I'm so confused, you...
Magi? Magi? Oh, Magi. I just saw the most incredible thing about the canopy. A whole other world. The sky went on forever, and way over in the distance, as far as I could see, there was this enormous rock. Like a...
mountain. That was Mount Morning.
And next to it was a... I don't know. It looked like a strange black cloud rising out of the earth.
Smoke, I should think.
What's smoke?
Oh, there are many things in our world you don't yet know about, Crysta. There are worlds within worlds, Crysta. Everything in our world is connected by the delicate strands of the web of life, which is balanced between forces of destruction and the magic forces of creation. Help it grow.
Why can't I do it?
Everyone can call on the magic powers of the web of life. You have to find it in yourself.
I want to, Magi. You know I do. But I was thinking about that smoke. Do you think it could be... Hexus?
No, there isn't a force in nature that could release him, and there are no poisons here on which he can feed. Hexus is trapped for all time. Now, that's enough for today.
But what could have caused the smoke?
Now, off with you.
But Magi...